Hey, it's Jim from Western Maine Machines. Deb and I wanted to explain to you one of our top selling machines from Miele. It's called the Tri-Flex. And the reason why they call it a Tri-Flex is because there's 3 different configurations to put this vacuum together. It's a cordless upright, and when you first get the machine and unbox it, it's important to click the battery into the base of the unit completely and then charge it for 4 hours in the cradle itself. So that's important when you first unbox the machine. Now, to use the machine, you can use it in 3 different ways. Like I said, the handheld way, I'm going to show first. You can do stairs in this configuration, run the power head, or any of the 3 tools that it comes with. This is a crevice tool. You also have an upholstery brush and another brush as well. Probably the easiest way to use the machine is to do the next configuration with the motor at the base of the machine. And I'll show you how to do that. This way it's very light. The majority of the weight is on the bottom of the unit. And it's very easy to turn and light it at your hand. And then the final way is to put the motor at the top. And that way you can actually get underneath furniture if you need to. So we flip the handle around, actually, this time. Push it until it clicks. And here's the 3rd configuration with the motor head at the top. And now look how trim and narrow that is at the bottom. And you can get underneath furniture, your couch, your bed. And for those 3 reasons, the way you can configure the machine, that's why it's one of our top selling vacuums. So we'd like to see you here at Western Maine Machines, and thanks for your time.